Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know it is time to change your charcoal canister? The first sign that you know it is time to change your charcoal canister is the check engine light is going to turn on and you're going to get some sort of EVAP code. Most likely you're going to get a P0455, which is a large leak detected in the EVAP system. You want to make sure there are no cracks on the charcoal canister case, as this will trigger a large leak EVAP code. Next thing you want to do is you want to check all the hoses that's going straight to the charcoal canister. You want to check the connection, make sure they are not loose. Best way to check for loose connection is just to grab it and just to wiggle it around and pull it. And if it comes loose, then most likely that's going to cause an EVAP code. Next, I'm going to explain the next symptom when the charcoal canister is cracked. Since the charcoal canister is located underneath the vehicle, it is prone to getting damaged by road objects that's going to hit it and cause it to crack. When the charcoal canister becomes damaged, or let's just say one of the EVAP hoses become loose, driver is going to notice a very strong fuel smell. The purpose of the charcoal canister is to absorb and capture fuel vapor coming from the fuel tank. And when the fuel vapor is ready to be released, the purge valve solenoid is going to open up and it's going to allow fuel vapor to flow from the charcoal canister straight into the intake and right into the combustion chamber where it will be burned. Again, when a charcoal canister is damaged caused by a random road object that impacted, all that fuel vapor that was stored in a charcoal canister is now going to be released into the air. When all that fuel vapor is released into the air, again, driver is going to smell that strong fuel smell at idle, while driving, and so on. The next sign is going to be you can't pump gas into your gas tank. So if you're ever at the gas station and you're trying to pump gas into your gas tank and you notice that nozzle is always clicking off, most likely your charcoal canister is either going to be clogged or is not able to vent, and therefore causing that pump to constantly shut off. So the next sign you're going to notice is going to be lower gas mileage. Again, the purpose of the charcoal canister is to absorb fuel vapor, and when it's ready to be released, it's going to release that fuel vapor right into the combustion chamber. If that fuel vapor is escaping out of a cracked charcoal canister, naturally the engine is going to have to pump more gas from the gas tank to go straight into the combustion chamber. The next sign that you know that charcoal canister is failing is going to be, well, it's not going to pass smog, especially in the state where I live, in the state of California, where smog is very strict. It's not going to pass smog at all. When you bring your vehicle to a smog station, the technician at the smog station is going to check all the monitors, and all the monitors must be ready. If one of the monitor is incomplete, it's an automatically fail. In this case, it's going to be EVAP monitor not ready, incomplete. That's how you know that when you are getting that monitor that's not complete, that's how you know there's something wrong with the EVAP system. The next sign that you know that your charcoal canister is possibly bad is going to be you may have some sort of engine performance issue, or let's just say when you start your vehicle, sometimes you may have a hard time starting your vehicle. Of course, these problems are not really significant. They're not really quite noticeable, but those problems can be there. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repair.